Yep, it's me again, guys. We got another car in there. Again, trying to remove this broken lug nuts. You know, it came from a different shop, and then we couldn't get the lug nuts out, and we found out it was totally stripped. So we're trying to use some special tools to remove the lug nuts, but it's totally gone. So the only option we have now is again trying to drill it with this homemade DIY press. So you see that? It's amazing, right? We end up using a 4x4 so we can drill it straight through and some pressure. And also you gotta use the lube. You gotta put that lube in there so you could nice and easy so the drill bit won't get burned out. Yep, that's what we end up doing, guys. Check it out.
And I see the rotor right there. Yep. I think we could push it. I think we could push it out, right? Hammer it. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Good luck, right? I think it's painful. Be careful with that one. You missed the swing. You missed the swing. You done. Right. Yeah, so close. So close. So close, but it's okay. It's not bad, you know? Oh, and this one? Yep. Yeah. Nope. Perfect.
Yep, we got it out, guys. We finally got it out. It took us forever, but we got it going. Now we're gonna try to replace this stud and lug nuts. Yep, we're gonna show you a little quick video how to replace it with my special tools that I always use every day in case I have this type of problem. Yep. So look like we didn't really damage that rims, man. It came out nice and easy and nice and perfect, I guess. So, but look like this lug nuts got destroyed pretty bad. Whoever put this lug nuts back in there, they messed it up real bad. So nobody want to do the job, so it end up coming to us. So we're just like, okay, we could do it, but we always do this type of job anyway. So there's nothing for us. I'm gonna show you these quick tools that I've been using for a while now. I got it from Amazon. Yep. So this tool is pretty cool, man. It's like a stud puller with the bearing built into it. You could use your original lug nuts, so you could pull the stud out from the hub, you know. So it's pretty much easy to use. All you gotta do is just use your cordless impact gun, so you can pull the stud. And make sure you keep an eye on the stud. Make sure you don't max out. Make sure it's flush. If it's flushed out and then he's trying to pull it more, he's gonna damage it. So make sure you keep an eye on it. Be gentle, you know. That's how I was doing on this one. I'm slowly trying to keep an eye on it, make sure nothing else will damage it. But see these tools right here? That's why I call special tools, man. Without that piece of wood, we couldn't have done that job.